Okay, what I was just checking is you have to be careful on Model A wheels that the Model T actually had on the last few years of the Model T, you could get wire spoke rims that look very similar to Model A. And what the problem is this center hub is different to fit over a Model T because Model Ts didn't have brake shoes. They didn't have brake drums on the Model T on the front. And so their wheels are different, and this center hub is slightly different because if you look at a 1926 or 27 Model T coupe, it looks very similar actually to this. It doesn't have the gas filler, that sticks up like that. But the coupes actually look a lot like a Model A, and the drivetrain would be totally different. It wouldn't be Model A. It was still like a Model T underneath on those. But the 26, 27 Model T coupe, you can get wire spoke rims, but they're not the same as a Model A spoke rim. And this drum right here is different. And I was just comparing how these fit on here to see are skinnier. And the Model A, this hub part on the Model A rim is more like 2.5 inches, only like 1.5 inches. So it's hard to tell just by looking at them, but if you put them side by side, you'd be able to tell the difference. So just be careful on that. Thanks for watching, and check out my other videos, and click like and subscribe. Take care, everybody. Bye.